How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your oil life light on a 2008 Honda Element. So you're going to turn on the ignition. As you can see, the oil vent light is on. He's also passed 4,000 and change miles. He's also due for a service A12. I'm going to show you how to reset all that. You're going to basically press and hold this button right here to the right on the fuel gauge. Keep holding it. Gonna keep holding it. Now you see the whole service A12 and the mileage is flashing. You're gonna let go and you're gonna press and hold again. And that's it, you're all done. To confirm, you're just gonna tap. There you go, oil life, 100%. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, as I provide videos just like this and DIY tips and tricks on a weekly basis. Also follow me on Instagram at Honda Mobile Mechanic for daily content, and don't forget to like the channel and share with your friends.